Students, today we'll see the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Before this, I taught you about the state legislature, and the state legislature is composed of the governor and the two houses, the state legislative assembly and the state legislative council, if it is a bicameral legislature. And in the unicameral legislature, governor and the state legislative assembly. Now today we will see the state legislative assembly of our own state, West Bengal. So, as West Bengal has adopted the unicameral legislature, actually at the time of independence, after independence, West Bengal had bicameral system, but it was in the year 1969, from the 1st of August 1969, the Legislative Council was abolished, and today we have West Bengal Legislative Assembly only. That is, West Bengal Legislative Assembly is the unicameral legislature of West Bengal. So before going in detail about the composition and the functions of the Legislative Assembly, I just want to give some information about West Bengal Legislative Assembly. West Bengal Legislative Assembly, that is the legislature of West Bengal, it was founded on 18th of January 1862. Founded in the year 1862, that is before the independence. Before independence, West Bengal Legislative Assembly was there. Then, if you go to Kolkata, you can see BBD Bagh. BBD Bagh means, in class 10 you have learned about history. Revolutionary movement in West Bengal. त्यसमा विनय बादल and दिनेश तीनजना freedom fighters जसले चाहिँ revolutionary बाटो चाहिँ अपनाएका थिए. Wanted to drive the British out of India. For that purpose, they had involved in the revolutionary activities. And the name of three persons, Binay, Badal, Dinesh. B for Binay, B for Badal, and D for Dinesh. So, as they had contributed, they had gave their life for the freedom of India. So, their names are also remembered today. So, BBD Bagh. Actually, it is a place over Kolkata. त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ यो अहिले चाहिँ legislative assembly चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर छ. कोही बेला if you get the opportunity, if you get the chance to go to Kolkata, you just visit these places. त्यहाँनिर BBD Baghमा छ. अनि अहिले at present चाहिँ West Bengalमा 294 members र एकजना nominated छ. यो चाहिँ किन nominated पछि म बताउँछु. अहिले यति नै राखिराख्नु. 295 members are there. And within the assembly, you will find two leaders. Number one is leader of the ruling party, that is the ruling of the leader of the house. Leader of the house, leader of the ruling party. And number two is leader of the opposition party. Leader of the ruling party and leader of the opposition party. त्यसमा deputy पनि हुन्छ, leader of the house ma. So leader of the house, chief minister is the leader of the party having majority in the state legislative assembly. So automatically chief minister being the leader, he or she is the leader of the house, leader of the ruling party in the legislative assembly. As Miss Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister, is the leader, so she is also the leader of the house, legislative assembly. त्यसपछि हामी देख्छौँ, sometimes she is to be helped, sometimes she is to, sometimes the another person, she has to take the responsibility, just like हामी deputy leader भन्छौँ. So deputy leader is Mr. Partha Chatterjee, and Partha Chatterjee is the education minister also. So he is the deputy leader of the house. त्यसपछि हामी देख्छौँ अपोजिसनमा पनि छ हैन, कांग्रेस छ, त्यसपछि बीजेपी छ, त्यसपछि अरू पार्टीहरु छ हैन. त्यसमा अपोजिसनको पनि एउटा लिडर हुन्छ र अहिले चाहिँ अपोजिसन चाहिँ मिस्टर अब्दुल मनान. अब्दुल मनान उहाँ चाहिँ अब इन्डियन नेसनल कांग्रेसको भन्ने भनिन्छ. यो भयो. त्यसपछि देयर मस्ट बी अ स्पीकर and a deputy speaker to conduct the session of the assembly हैन र अहिले चाहिँ एट प्रेजेन्ट चाहिँ मिस्टर बिमान ब्यानर्जी is the chairman, is the speaker, and he is supported by deputy speaker Dr. Sukumar Hansa. Dr. Sukumar Hansa is the deputy speaker. So this is the shared information about the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Now, composition of West Bengal Legislative Assembly. At present, there are 294 members of Legislative Assembly. Now, for this, whole state has been divided into 294 constituencies. Each part is called constituency, and from one constituency, after every 5 years, one member is elected by the people, by the voters of that area, and he or she becomes the member of the Legislative Assembly of West Bengal Legislative Assembly. And at present, whole Bengal has been divided into 294 constituency, and from each constituency, one member is elected. Now, 294 from each constituency. Now, if the governor of West Bengal is satisfied that there is no adequate or the sufficient members from the Anglo-Indian community, then the governor of West Bengal can nominate one person. Can nominate one person from the Anglo-Indian community. So Anglo-Indian community बाट चाहिँ एकजना चाहिँ के गर्छ नोमिनेट गर्छ अनि यो 294 चाहिँ इलेक्टेड हो. This is elected and one is nominated. So at present in West Bengal we have 294 plus 1, 295 members are there. Now this is the compass. So West Bengal Legislative Assembly, West Bengal Legislative Assembly is composed of the governor and West Bengal Legislative Assembly. West Bengal Legislative Assembly, the governor of West Bengal Legislative Assembly मिलेर बनिन्छ. Because governor is the integral part of the assembly. Without governor, the house is incomplete. The house remains incomplete. So there must be governor. Okay. So हामी त्यहाँनिर लेख्छौँ अब composition हैन. अब हामी लेख्छौँ term. As I have told you, the term for the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is 5 years. Usually it is 5 years. That means after every 5 years the election is held. Election is conducted by the Election Commission. And the term is 5 years. Now, sometimes the assembly may be dissolved by the governor and when the no confidence motion is passed. There are many situations where the governor has to dissolve the session. So sometimes, even before that also, that is, maybe dissolved earlier, maybe dissolved earlier, अथवा बीचमा इमर्जेन्सीहरू लागेको छ त्यस्तो छ भने चाहिँ sometimes the session may be extended for 1 more year. Maximum चाहिँ 1 more year पनि extend गर्नु सक्छ. बीचमा स्थितिहरू त्यस्तो भएको छ भने हैन त्यति बेला चाहिँ अलिकति 5 वर्ष नभएर बीचमा डिस्टर्बेन्स भएको छ भने अलिकति तानेर 1 वर्षसम्म पनि लानु सक्छ. अब इमर्जेन्सी छ भने चाहिँ इमर्जेन्सी भइसकेपछि चाहिँ 6 महिनासम्म त्यो एक्सटेन्ड हुनु सक्छ. जे होस् टर्म इज 5 years. इलेक्सन जस्तो एज फर एक्जाम्पल 2005 मा भयो भने 10 मा भयो भने 15 हैन र बीचमा नो कन्फिडेन्स मोसन पास भयो. इफ द council of ministers they loses the confidence, and if the no confidence motion is passed, then the house may be dissolved. Okay, त्यस्तो खालको छ. अब हामी देख्छौँ qualification of a member. Number A चाहिँ हो citizen of India भयो हैन अनि citizen number 2 चाहिँ भयो तिम्रो he or she must be the voter of that state. जस्तो in order to contest the election for the West Bengal Legislative Assembly for the members, a person must be the resident or must be the voters of that state. त्यो स्टेटको हुनै पर्छ। सिक्किमको मान्छे आएर वेस्ट बेङ्गलमा भोट लड्नु पाउँदैन, वेस्ट बेङ्गलको मान्छे गएर अरुणाचल प्रदेशमा भोट लड्नु पाउँदैन। ऊ चाहिँ त्यहाँको भोटर हुनुपर्छ। तर कोही बेला यस्तो पनि हुन्छ होइन, कालिम्पोङको मान्छे दार्जिलिङमा पनि भोट गर्नु सक्छ, दार्जिलिङको मान्छे सिलगढीमा पनि जानु सक्छ होइन, त्यस्तो चाहिँ हुन्छ। विदिन द स्टेट इज पोसिबल, एउटा मान्छेले अर्को ठाउँको पनि कन्टेस्ट गर्नु सक्छ, तर त्यो स्टेटभित्र मात्रै हुनु पर्यो होइन। अर्को चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो एज चाहिँ मिनिमम 25 इयर्स, 25 इयर्सदेखि माथिको हुनु पर्यो। 25 years and above is the minimum age for the candidate to contest the election of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. अर्को हामी देख्छौँ इन्सेन भन्छ होइन, अनसाउन्ड भन्छ होइन। पर्सन हु इज डिक्लेयर्ड एज पर्सन एगेन्स्ट द ल, कल्प्रिट एगेन्स्ट द ल भएको देशद्रोही, त्यस्तो मान्छेहरू पनि पाउँदैन। यदि कसैलाई चाहिँ कानुनले चाहिँ ऊ चाहिँ कानुन विरुद्ध हो, देशद्रोही भनेर डिक्लेयर गरेछ भने त्यस्तो पनि पाउँदैन होइन। अनि अर्को चाहिँ यदि एउटा मेम्बर भइसकेपछि यदि उसले चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो कि 6 महिनासम्म कुनै इन्टिमेसन बिना विदाउट एनी इन्फर्मेसन इफ ही अर सी रिमेन्स एब्सेन्ट फ्रम द सेसन, तब त्यति बेला उसको मेम्बरसिप चाहिँ हटाइदिन्छ होइन। उसलाई चाहिँ सी क्यान बी एक्सपेल्ड फ्रम द मेम्बरसिप अफ द वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली होइन। र यो सर्टेन क्वालिफिकेसन हुनु पर्यो होइन, त्यो राज्यको बासिन्दा हुनु पर्यो, भोटर हुनु पर्यो, इन्डियाको सिटिजन भएपछि त्यहाँको भइहाल्छ होइन, 25 वर्ष पुगेको हुनु पर्यो, इन्सेनहरू हुनु भएन होइन। अनि अर्को पनि हामी देख्छौँ त्यहाँनिर, त्यो चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि एट द सेम टाइम अ पर्सन क्यान नट बी द मेम्बर अफ पार्लियामेन्ट, क्यान नट बी मेम्बर अफ राज्यसभा, क्यान नट बी द मेम्बर अफ अदर एमएलएज अफ अदर कन्स्टिट्युएन्सी होइन। त्यसको मतलब यस्तो हो, एउटा मान्छे चाहिँ एकपल्टमा चाहिँ एउटा ठाउँको मात्रै मेम्बर हुनु सक्छ। अर्को हामी देख्छौँ मस्ट नट होल्ड द अफिस अफ प्रफिट अन्डर द गभर्मेन्ट भनेर भन्दैछ। मस्ट नट होल्ड द अफिस अफ प्रफिट भने गभर्मेन्टको अधीनमा काम गर्ने मान्छेहरू पनि त्यहाँनिर हुनु भएन। तर यसमा चाहिँ एउटा चाहिँ छुट चाहिँ के देख्छ भने जस्तो टिचरहरू छ होइन, कलेजको टिचरहरू, युनिभर्सिटीको स्कुलको टिचरहरू छ, उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर छुट दिएको छ। द्याट मिन्स टिचर क्यान अल्सो कन्टेस्ट द इलेक्सन होइन। त्यो चाहिँ अब भ्याकेसन डिपार्टमेन्ट भनेर भन्छ, जस्तो विन्टर सेसनमा है, त्यो विन्टरको बेलामा के भ्याकेसन हुन्छ, समरको भ्याकेसन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो एउटा प्रोभिजन छ, स्पेसल प्रोभिजन फर द टिचर्स होइन। जस्तै त्यसै कारण हामी के पाउँछौँ राइट नाउ मिसेस सरिता गुरुमा होइन, सरिता गुरुमा इज द एमएलए, त उहाँ अहिले रिटायर हुनुभयो हो, र पनि उहाँ चाहिँ टिचर हुँदा हुँदै एमएलए हुनुभएको थियो होइन। र त्यो चाहिँ पाउँछ, अदरवाइज अरू मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यो उनीहरूले गर्नु पाउँदैन होइन। यो चाहिँ भयो तिमीहरूको के भयो भने क्वालिफिकेसन है। वी अल्सो सुड नो द प्रोसिडर अफ द वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली होइन। प्रोसिडरमा फर्स्टमा छ हाउ मेनी मेम्बर्स should be there, minimum number of members should be there for the session भन्दाखेरि that is called quorum होइन। कुनै पनि सभा गर्दाखेरि मिनिमम नम्बर चाहिँ हुनैपर्छ। सो अकर्डिङ टु द ल 1/10 10 भागमा 1 भाग, 10 भागमा 1 भाग जान्छ। जस्तो अब वेस्ट बेङ्गल हो भने 295 जना भने चाहिँ मिनिमम चाहिँ 29-30 जना त्यति चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ। इफ that number of members are there, then only the session can be started, session can be continued, otherwise it's not possible. So 1/10 चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर हुनुपर्छ है। एउटा चाहिँ भयो कोरम। अनि अर्को हामी त्यहाँनिर के देख्छौँ भने ओथ हुन्छ नि है, ओथ। जस्तो एमएलएहरूको इलेक्सन भयो, सपोज द इलेक्सन इज ओभर एन्ड आउट अफ 294 members they are elected. Now the governor of the state, governor of West Bengal summons the session होइन, त्यहाँनिर उनीहरू एटेन्ड गर्छ। सो बिफोर एटेन्डिङ द सेसन फर्स्ट दे टेक द ओथ, कसम भन्छ नि, कसम खाने केही गभर्मेन्ट काम गर्दा। जस्तो आई अलरेडी टोल्ड यु, इभन द प्रेसिडेन्ट अफ इन्डिया, भाइस प्रेसिडेन्ट इन्डिया, गभर्नर अल्सो, चिफ जस्टिस अल्सो, चिफ मिनिस्टर अल्सो होइन, प्राइम मिनिस्टर अल्सो, अल दे टेक ओथ। र सबै मेम्बर्सहरूले पनि, मेम्बर अफ लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्लीले पनि के गर्नु छ, ओथ टेकिङ। म मेरो नियम अनुसार देशको सेवा गर्छु, राज्यको यो मेरो जिम्मेवारी म सबै निभाउँछु है भन्ने गरेर चाहिँ उसले ओथ लिन्छ। एन्ड ओथ इज कन्डक्टेड बाई द गभर्नर अफ द्याट स्टेट। त्यो स्टेटको गभर्नर जो छ उसले चाहिँ ओथ दिने है काम गर्छ, उनीहरूको सामु चाहिँ गर्नु ओथ दिनु पर्यो। त्यसपछि हामी देख्छौँ स्पिकर र डेपुटी स्पिकर। You know, I've already taught you about the Speaker of the Union Parliament, you know, Lok Sabha in the first session of the Assembly, when the members they attend the session, one person is elected as the Speaker and another is Deputy Speaker. You know, the दुईजना Speaker, एकजना चाहिँ Speaker, एकजना चाहिँ Deputy Speaker छान्छ। मैले अघि तिमीलाई बताएँ मिस्टर बिमान ब्यानर्जी and Mr. Hansa, you know, Dr. Sukumar Hansa. They are the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of West Bengal Legislative Assembly. You know? Speaker, Deputy Speaker, and they are to conduct the session of this Assembly. Okay? And Speaker, Deputy Speaker चाहिँ उनीहरूबाट छान्छ from amongst the elected members. बाहिरबाट होइन उनीहरू चाहिँ त्यहाँ भित्रको मान्छे हुनु पर्यो। ओके, अब यो प्रोसिडरमा देख्छौँ हामी। अब हामी जान्छौँ फङ्सनमा। Functions of the State Legislative Assembly. So, West Bengal Legislative Assembly is the legislative organ, and the legislative organ's main responsibility is to make the law. So, the first is the legislation. First function is the legislation. Legislation means to make the law. In a state, administration is to be carried on by the executive. But the executive has to follow the rules and regulations, the laws, the acts, and the laws and acts are to be passed by the assembly, that is the state legislature. So, West Bengal state legislature passes the law on the subject which are listed under the state list. You know, I have already told you, there are three lists of power, union list, state list, and the concurrent list. So, West Bengal State Assembly can make the law on any subject listed in the state list and sometimes in the concurrent list also. So all the laws, all the bills are to be placed in the session of the assembly and it is to be passed, and accordingly the administration of the state is carried on. So passing of the law is the most important function of the state, West Bengal State Legislative Assembly. Okay. Number 2, हामी देख्छौँ formation of Council of Minister. You know, formation of the Council of Minister. Suppose this is West Bengal Legislative Assembly, and out of 294 members, some members are selected by the party. Say it is 50, and these 50 members, this is just example only, 50 members, they are appointed by the governor as the members of the Council of Ministers. That means ministers. And you know, there are 3 categories of minister in the Council of Ministers: Cabinet Minister, Minister of State, and Deputy Minister. यति हुन्छ। अब योबाट चाहिँ यो मेम्बर छान्छ। त्यसको मतलब के भयो भने, to be the member of Council of Ministers, first they should be the member of West Bengal Legislative Assembly. They have to be the MLAs, then they are appointed as the minister. That means this Council of Ministers is formed from amongst the members of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. So what we find here is, it is the responsibility of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly to form the Council of Ministers. And in this connection, I want to repeat, suppose sometimes in the Council of Ministers, non-MLA is included. Non-MLA. जो चाहिँ member जो चाहिँ ऊ होइन, MLA भएन होइन, तर उसले चाहिँ के हुनुपर्छ भने within 6 months चाहिँ उसले यो वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्लीको कुनै पनि कन्स्टिट्युन्सीबाट he or she has to take the membership. Anyway, यहाँनिर हामी देख्छौँ, it is the responsibility of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly to form the काउन्सिल अफ मिनिस्टर. ओके, अब हामी थर्डमा जान्छौँ. थर्ड फङ्सन इज द कन्ट्रोल ओभर एक्जिक्युटिभ अर वी क्यान से गभर्मेन्ट. अब यहाँनिर तिमीले यहाँनिर देख्छौ होइन, यो भयो गभर्मेन्ट भयो जसलाई हामी काउन्सिल अफ मिनिस्टर भन्छौँ. एन्ड काउन्सिल अफ मिनिस्टर इज हेडेड बाई चिफ मिनिस्टर. एन्ड यहाँनिर छ यो लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली. अब हेर है, दिस government, that the council of ministers headed by chief minister is responsible to the legislative assembly for all their activities, for their all activities. जति पनि यिनीहरूले कामहरू गर्छ, जति पनि के जस्तो in the council of ministers you will find a number of departments, होइन, education department, agriculture department, law department, etc. and यो सबैकोमा there are ministers are there, and there are executive officers, and whatever they do, उनीहरूले जे काम गर्छ त्यसको लागि चाहिँ they are responsible to the legislative assembly. भनिन्छ each member of the council of ministers is individually and collectively responsible to the legislative assembly. लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली प्रति उनीहरू जवाबदेही हुनुपर्छ, एकाउन्टेबल हुनुपर्छ. जुनै पनि डिपार्टमेन्टले, एनी डिपार्टमेन्ट वेदर दे डु दिस or डु द्याट, फर अल देयर एक्टिभिटिज दे आर रेस्पोन्सिबल. अब हामी देख्छौँ देयर आर भेरियस मेथड्स टु बाई विच द लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली क्यान कन्ट्रोल द काउन्सिल अफ मिनिस्टर. त्यसमा हामी नम्बर 1 इम्पोर्टेन्ट हामी देख्छौँ क्वेसन आवर भन्ने छ, होइन, बजेट भन्ने छ. त्यसपछि यतापट्टि नो कन्फिडेन्स मोसन भन्ने छ, होइन. मेनी प्रपोजल्स आर देयर in the assembly. If the members of the legislative assembly they do not have confidence on the council of ministers, then they may propose the no confidence motion. And if the no confidence motion is passed, there will be the failure of the government. त्यस्तै प्रकारले क्वेसन आवर्स छ प्रत्येक दिन. each day of the legislative assembly session, first 1 hour is allotted for the question hour, and the members of the legislative assembly can ask the ministers, the government, any type of questions related with the department. And in such case, the council of ministers, to each individual minister, they should be able to answer the members of the legislative assembly satisfactorily. If they are not satisfied, then sometimes even the minister, they have to resign. उनीहरूले गरेको काममा सन्तुष्ट छैन भने मिनिस्टरले रिजाइन गर्नु पनि लाउँछ. बजेट पनि त्यस्तै हो, गभर्मेन्टले कति पैसा चाहिँ खर्च गर्नुपर्छ, कतिसम्म पाउँछ, त्यो चाहिँ कन्ट्रोल गर्छ. कसले गर्छ? लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्लीले चाहिँ कन्ट्रोल गरेको हुन्छ. लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्लीले मात्रै कति रुपियाँ खर्च गर्नुपर्छ पर्दैन त्यो कन्ट्रोल गर्छ. The financial power of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. As I have told you, any amount of money which the government wants to spend, first that it should be passed. Approval of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is needed. Without passing the law, without passing the financial bill or the budget, government can't spend. It is said that even a single rupee cannot be spent. So here it is the responsibility of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly to approve or to pass the financial bill to let the government to carry on its activities. That is financial function power. अर्को हामी देख्छौँ amendment. Amendmentमा पाउँछौँ हामी any part of the constitution or any part of the law which were already passed, the law which are already passed, if it is not suitable according to the time and the need, then it should be changed. The law passed in the year 1960 may not be changed, may not be suitable at present, so it should be changed. So any proposal for the bringing changes in the existing law, if any part is to be deleted, that is hataunu. If any part is to be added, if any part is to be altered, it is called amendment. Amendment means to alter, change, add, insert any part of the constitution, law, any part of the constitution or any part of the law, electoral amendment. So this amendment power is also can be exercised by the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. That is amendment power मा हामी देख्छौँ. अर्को हामी देख्छौँ elective function. Elective power or elective function. Now, the members of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, first they have to elect one person as speaker and second is deputy speaker. So election of the speaker and deputy speaker, it is the responsibility of the members of Legislative Assembly. Number two, the members of West Bengal Legislative Assembly, along with other MLAs of other state, they are the member of the Electoral College for the election of the President of India. So, member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly being the part of the Electoral College for the election of the President, so they being the member of that committee, of that college, of that Electoral College, they participate in the election of the President. So, election of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker and the election of President is also the responsibility of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. हैन, त्यसमा इलेक्टिभमा हामी पाउँछौँ. अर्को हामी पाउँछौँ रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ फंक्सन. रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ फंक्सन यो चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि the MLA of a constituency, he or she has to represent his or her constituency or the government or the state in many public functions, in many bodies, in many committees. Just as for example, suppose in a constituency from which a member of Legislative Assembly is there, if that constituency is rural area and if there are Panchayat Samiti and if there are Jilla Parishad, then and if that MLA is not the minister, then he or she has to represent the government in that Panchayat Samiti and Jilla Parishad. जो पनि एमएलए छ त्यो एरियाको त्यहाँनिर पञ्चायत समिति र जिल्ला परिषद छ भने चाहिँ अटोमेटिकली एमएलए चाहिँ के हुन्छ त्यो कमिटीको चाहिँ एक्स अफिसियल मेम्बर हुन्छ. सो ही हैज टु or she has to represent government in that Panchayat Samiti or in Jilla Parishad. अर्को हामी देख्छौँ whenever government organizes some program, there is the presence of the member of Legislative Assembly, MLA. So MLA has to represent various functions that is related with the governmental activities. Even in the public function also, MLA has to represent government, represent state in the public function. त्यो चाहिँ के हुन्छ representative functionsमा हामी आउँछौँ. अर्को हामी देख्छौँ consideration, formation and consideration of report. यहाँनिर अझै composition, formation पनि लेखौँ. जस्तो West Bengal Legislative Assembly को many members of the Legislative Assembly, they are appointed in various committees. There are various commissions and committees to do some special job, to have some responsibility, to perform some responsibility. Just for the educational development, some committee may be formed by the member of Legislative Assembly, and that committee has to study the matters, study the situation, and to submit the report to the Assembly. And it is the responsibility of the Assembly to consider that report, so that when the educational bill on education is prepared, the recommendation, the advice of such committees are to be taken. So West Bengal Legislative Assembly also forms some committees, and the committees, after studying, they have to submit the report, and again the West Bengal Legislative Assembly has to consider the report submitted by the various commissions and various committees. Okay, of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is the formation of public opinion. Within the Assembly we find discussions and debate also. when the bill is placed, discussion takes place. When the question is asked, the minister, they inform the members. So while having discussion, while having debate, while having the question and answering, informations are given to the people. That means MLAs, they get the information. And these are propagated through electronic media to the people. What is going on inside the Legislative Assembly through electronic media, even from the print media also, पेपरबाट टेलिभिजनबाट अहिले झन् युट्युबहरू थुप्रो थुप्रो छ तिनीहरूबाट जनताले के गर्छ इन्फर्मेसन पाउँछ एन्ड एज दे गेट द इन्फर्मेसन दे फर्म द पब्लिक ओपिनियन सो यहाँनिर के हुन्छ द एसेम्ब्ली अल्सो हेज टु वर्क एट लिङ्क बिट्विन द गभर्मेन्ट एन्ड द पब्लिक what public wants, what is the need of the people, and this is placed in the assembly session, and through this the government gets the idea and the government gets the opinion, and on the basis of that the policies are framed by the government. जनताको विचार के छ त्यो चाहिँ एसेम्ब्लीमा आउँछ एसेम्ब्लीमा जनताले एसेम्ब्लीमा गभर्मेन्टले जनताको विचार छाड्छ त्यसपछि चाहिँ ल बनाउने काम पोलिसी फ्रेम गर्ने काम गर्छ त्यसै कारण के छ भने एसेम्ब्ली अल्सो हेल्प इन द फर्मेसन अफ पब्लिक ओपिनियन त्यसपछि हामी देख्छौँ एडुकेटिङ द पब्लिक अब होइन एमएलएज all MLAs, member of the Legislative Assembly, when they go back to their constituency, they educate the people. Government wants this, you have to do this. It is the proposal of the government to do this, to that. And in this way, all the MLAs, because MLAs, they are the member of Legislative Assembly and they are the part and parcel of the Assembly, Legislative Assembly. And being the part and parcel of the Legislative Assembly, they have to go, they have to meet the people. They have to, sometimes they have to go door to door also. They have to inform the people. They have to educate the people. So in this way, the assembly members, they educate the people. How they educate? By placing or by informing the people about the various governmental projects, various governmental policies. So the members of the Legislative Assembly, they educate the people. So in this way, what we see, the Legislative Assembly, it is another responsibility is to educate the people. अनि त्यसपछि यसरी चाहिँ गभर्मेन्टले काम गर्छ अब यो सबै हेर्दाखेरि द वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली हेज टु वर्क अ लट वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली बिसाइड हेज टु डु अ नम्बर अफ वर्क होइन beside law-making function, West Bengal Legislative Assembly has to perform other functions also. अरू कामहरू पनि त्यहाँनिर गर्नुपर्छ अब कन्क्लुजनमा हामी हेर्छौँ कन्क्लुजनमा West Bengal Legislative Assembly being a legislative organ has to make the law. Along with that, a number of responsibilities are to be performed. But West Bengal Legislative Assembly is not a sovereign body. It is not a totally independent body. It is a part of whole India. So whatever rules and regulations of the country are there, they are binding. They have to follow the rules and regulations of the country. Number one. Number two, हामी के देख्छौँ and especially the role played by parties is very, very important. Legislature भन्दाखेरि पनि अहिले हामी के पाउँछौँ the party plays very important role. So in many cases the Legislative Assembly, they are also to some extent, not totally, as they are binding, they have to follow the party rules, they have to follow the party line. So in many cases they are not able to perform their duty because to the party to which they belong, they have to follow the party principle. They have to follow the party order. भन्छ नि हाई कमान्डले के भन्छ हैन जस्तै एउटा कन्स्टिट्युएन्सीमा suppose the people wanted that there should be a new hospital. एमएलएले के भन्छ I have to ask the high command. High command means party's command, हैन So party's command, if the party command, high command agrees, then there will be that project. Otherwise, it's not. So these are some the obstacle on the way of the smooth functioning. Anyway, but what we find here is, in spite of all these, यो हुँदा हुँदै पनि के छ भने त्यहाँनिर राम्रो काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ. Another very important thing is त्यहाँनिर अस्ति नै तिमीले एउटा पढ्यौ आर्टिकल 356 powers and functions of the President of India, emergency power तिमीले पढ्यौ. Article 3 when the administrative system of a state is failed, when there is crisis in the state and the governor of that state has to send the report to the president, and the president on the basis of the report submitted by the governor of that state can impose president rule. So when the president rule is imposed in the state, legislative assembly can't do anything. Legislative assembly चाहिँ त्यसै हावामा झुन्डेको जस्तो सस्पेन्डेड एनिमेसन भन्छ नि है, त्यस्तो हुन्छ. वेस्ट बङ्गाल एमएलए हुन्छ तर दे कान्ट डु एनिथिङ, दे आर पावरलेस त्यो बेला. त्यति बेला चाहिँ स्टेटको सिस्टम चाहिँ युनिटरी सिस्टम जस्तै हुन्छ. गभर्नरले शासन गर्छ है, प्रेसिडेन्टले शासन गर्छ थ्रु द गभर्नर. अन्डर द इन्स्ट्रक्सन गिभन बाई द सेन्टर द स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेसन इज टु बी क्यारिड अन. त्यति बेला चाहिँ केही पनि हुँदैन. तर यो चाहिँ अब स्पेसल सिचुएसनमा मात्र. बट इन अदर टाइम्स द वेस्ट बेङ्गल लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली हेज बिन परफर्मिङ अ लट. सो द रोल प्लेड बाई द लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्ली, West Bengal Legislative Assembly is very, very great, and laws are passing, and accordingly the administration of the country is carried on. So this is all about West Bengal Legislative Assembly composition and functions. Okay.